Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about finding a quality auto repair facility. Usually you want to do this prior to needing it. So you just purchased a new vehicle or a used vehicle, you moved into a new area. This is a great time to do your research and figure out who should be servicing or repairing your car. So if you're in San Diego County, the West Automotive Group is AAA approved, and that's what we recommend first off checking on to find a quality facility anywhere you are in the nation. You can go to the AAA website, put the zip code in the area you live, and it will show all the AAA approved service and repair facilities. Great time to get your research done before you need service or repair. By doing so, the next thing you need to do is go in and visit the facility. Talk to the folks there, see how clean the facility is. If there's clients sitting in the lobby, you might want to talk to them too. It's all about doing your research and finding the right service and repair facility for you that will take care of your vehicle and you, like your family, very important. Check on their warranties, check on their policies, all the other things that go along with it, and the quality of work that they do. That way, when you do need your vehicle serviced or repaired, you'll know the place to go to. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.